In this video, I'll guide you through how to verify your email on Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account settings, how to update your email address if needed, and how to complete the verification process so your account stays secure and fully functional. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your preferred web browser and go to jotform.com. Give the page a moment to load and then log into your account if you haven't already. You'll need to be signed in to access your profile and account settings, so make sure you enter your correct login details and confirm you're in the right workspace. Once you're logged in and you're on the main Jotform dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be a small avatar, your initials, or a user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu with more options related to your account. From this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. This is where Jotform keeps most of the controls for your personal information and account preferences. Click on Settings to move into your account configuration area. It may take a second to load, but you'll know you're in the right place when you see different tabs for managing your account. Inside the settings page, look for the section or tab called Account. This is typically on the left side or across the top, depending on the current Jotform layout. Click on Account to open the area where your basic account details are stored, including your username, email address, and other profile information. In the Account section, find the field that shows your current email address. Right next to that, you should see an option to edit it. Click on Edit so you can change or confirm the email address associated with your Jotform account. This is an important step because the email you enter here is where your verification message will be sent. Now type in the new email address you want to use or confirm that the existing one is correct if you're just re-verifying. Take a moment to double check for any typos, missing characters, or extra spaces. Once you're confident the email address is correct, click Save. This tells Jotform to update your account details and triggers the verification process. After you click Save, Jotform will send a verification email to the address you just entered. To complete the process, open a new tab or switch to your email inbox. Look for a message from Jotform. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder just in case it was filtered there by mistake. Open the email and you should see a button or link asking you to verify your email address. Click on that link. This confirms to Jotform that you have access to that inbox and that the email is valid. Once you've clicked the verification link, your email address on Jotform is verified and ready to use. You can now receive notifications, password resets, and important account messages without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully verified your email on Jotform, starting from the main site, moving through your profile settings, updating your address, and confirming it through your inbox.